Hello everybody, this is Tom Sang, your local realtor friend. Today I'm hosting open house at my listing at 19915 Mariposa Avenue in Riverside City. This is a unique property and rare to find because this is a single family home that has a huge land, 1.43 acre, over 60,000 square feet, located in Riverside where everything is green. Check it out. And right north of us is all the tract homes. Yep. Today is the first day I got this camera, so I'm trying this out, see how it goes. This house is unique, not only because of its size, but it's also a great investment property and great potential for rebuild, building an extra project because of the land that it has. And also there's a lot of truck drivers who will also need the space to park their truck, or horse people, where the previous owner raised horse on the property. So I believe we can also raise horse on the property as well. Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars. Very good. Right, we have quite a bit of fruit trees on the right side, and this is just a front yard. On the left side we are able to park many RVs. We have garage, balcony, you know. I'm just going around the yards, and this is a work shed. We have a very nice gazebo. With a stone stove. Okay, there's the RV. This is the yard we have, and the previous owner had horse on this property. The next door tenant, the next door resident has a barn. Look at all the trucks and the RVs that are parked here. You can kind of see the potential it has, and all the fenced areas. As I'm walking this path, I feel like a horse myself, a workhorse. And here, look at the crowd we have. What a great turnout, and it's fenced and gated. It's got great potential.
This pot gives us chilies all year round.
Hello. Go USA. Go USA. Hi Ben, how is it going?
Good.
How many people we got so far? Do you think?
Maybe 15.
15, good.
15, and this
20.
20.
Very good. Do you guys need any more shoe covers?
剩下这么多。
那我再去拿一点。Hello, this is Tom.
Hi, Tom. How are you doing?
Doing all right. How are you?
Good. This is Chava Salazar at Sutter Realty.
Hi.
Yeah, one of my clients wanted to look at your property and your open house.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just calling you. When are you presenting offers? Do you have any offers right now?
Today is my first day and only day of showing. I don't have anything yet, but I'm presenting on Wednesday.
Okay. You want to wait until Wednesday?
It's your call. The deadline to submit is Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I was out of the area and I just want to talk to a lender. My buyer is pre-qualified and I just need to update my pre-qual letter in the morning with the lender.
Okay, that's fine.
And what is the best? Oh, last question regarding the tenants. Are they staying there, moving, or what is the deal?
The tenant has lease until the end of the year, and they are paying $2,800 a month.
But if the buyer wants they to move out, do you think they're willing to do it, or they
Is your buyer willing to pay them out?
what's that?
If your buyer is willing to pay them to help them move, that's a possibility. But if you just want to kick them out, no.
Okay. Okay. So they have to negotiate that, right?
Yes, I mean by right, they are here to stay until the end of the year, and you have to honor it. And they are a good paying tenant. They have been here for the past 2 years. So by the natural default is the price to sell, you will keep honor the rent. If you want them to move early, I can help you negotiate, but don't expect this to be free. You might need to help them pay with the moving cost.
Okay. Yeah. Let me talk to my buyer.
So yeah, Riverside. 19915 Mariposa Avenue, a 4-bed, 2-bath, single-family house with 1.4-acre land built in 1980. Close to 2,000 square feet of the house itself, and only asking at $650K, a rare find in Riverside County.